Remove the packing belt. Open the crate. Take out the machine's accessories. Take out the machine. Remove the packaging bag. Lift the operating lever. Remove the solution tank. Close the water valve. Disconnect the water hose. Check the power switch. Ensure the switch is in the off position. Open the battery box latch. Open the battery cover. Install the battery connector plug. Align the red end of the connector plug cable with the other red line end and insert. Note: ensure the power switch is in the off position. When installing the battery connector plug, close the battery cover. Turn on the power switch. Connect the water hose. Turn on the water valve. Attach the solution tank. Uplift the operating handle. Install the sewage tank lid. Attention! The installation side of the sewage tank lid should not be reversed left and right. Align the bayonet to install the sewage tank. Install vacuum hose and suction hose. Put down the machine. Remove the brush. Install the brush. The lifting handle of the absorbent scrubber. Angle adjustment of the operating arm. Battery charging demonstration. Open the buckle latch. Lay down the operating handle. Open the water tank to see the internal parts. The regulating switch of water flows. Turn on the power switch. Uplift the operating handle to see the battery accessories. The machine operation. Add the cleaning agent to clean water tank before use. Add the clean water. Open the sewage tank lid. Add appropriate amount of defoaming agent. Open the key switch. Key introductions. Vacuum switch. Water nozzle switch. Brush tray switch. Display of the cleaning effect.